Hold on. Alright, turn it on. Clutch. I told you move your seat up.
Clutch, right?
Yeah, it's the clutch.
Just the clutch?
Just the clutch and all the way. Alright. No, yeah, turn it off. Turn it back on. Alright, now let go of the clutch. Accelerate slowly. Hold on the right, next pedal. Accelerate slowly. Let go. Again, do it again. Let go. Sounds like it's coming from the GReddy. Alright, do it again. Let go. Over there. Alright, now do it all the way, like step on it, and then let go. One more time. No. Alright, now do it the same but a little bit less. Let go. Do it one more time. Alright. That should be it. Looks like it's coming from the back. Doesn't look like the cat's the problem. I'm gonna ask you to rev it slowly. Wait, you know what? Turn it off. Yeah, it's coming from back there. Alright, that's it, babe. Unless you want to start the car again. For me.